Hi, I'm Jillian Davis. I'm a leadership expert and the founder of the consultancy Overtime Leader. I help individuals and teams find the right leadership style and company culture so that they can scale fast and effectively. I've worked with brands like Spotify, Typeform, and WeTransfer, and I've also published a book called First Time Leader. We usually associate leadership with words like charisma and extroversion, but my belief is anyone can be a leader. At its core, leadership is about understanding who you are as a person and being true to that. I journal every day as it gives me the chance to reflect on what I'm doing and what I'm learning. I think this practice is essential for all leaders. The world is ready for a new leadership style that's driven by empathy, compassion, and inclusion. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to find and apply the right leadership style that suits your authentic self. For the final project, you will create your own personal development plan. This will help you stay accountable and to lead yourself in your daily life. First, we will start talking about the differences between leadership and management and start working on our self-awareness. To help you with this, I will provide you with a case study. Next, you will learn how to balance letting go and taking control, and to create a clear pathway for yourself and your business. Then we will start developing and adapting our own style. I will also talk about finding and retaining the right clients. I will give you some ideas and tips that will help you to evolve and grow your skills, and how to overcome potential roadblocks. By the end of this course, you will already have begun your journey to become a more adaptive, compassionate, and effective leader for yourself and for others. Let's find the authentic leader within us.